Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is June 15, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market today, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 15 and a quarter points right now to 24.22 per contract. You could see overnight the market has really just tumbled lower. Right now we are off the worst levels of the day, but nonetheless we are very, very close to the lows. So pretty big rollover all in all here this morning. And again, this is options expiration. This was a wild week to begin with, and then you add the last Friday's action in there. It's really been a wild one. So again, markets tumbling a little bit today, and we'll see how this all plays out. As you know, the big news is a report out of the Washington Post last night was released saying that President Trump is under investigation for obstruction of justice. So again, this story, this saga just continues to unfold, and we'll see how it plays out. Again, it's getting a little bit old in my opinion, but again, it seems to be what makes headlines, and today markets coming under pressure as all of the pro-growth agenda gets pushed aside and all of the energy moves towards this obstruction of justice case. So let's see how this plays out. We'll see what happens today. In the meantime, let's take a look at some stocks that are moving. First stock we're going to take a look at this morning is going to be Kroger. Ticker symbol is KR. This stock is getting absolutely hammered today. Again, I'm going to have levels for this play in the chat room right at 9 a.m. So Kroger selling off very, very sharply, closed at $30.28. Stock is now trading at $26.28 a share. So again, Kroger will be in play this morning. I have levels posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 o'clock. Next up, we're going to take a look at JBL, Jabil Circuit. This stock has really been flying high as of late, and the stock right now is trading higher again this morning. So it closed at $30.63, now trading at $31.49. Briefly got above the 33 level. Again, this is a very overbought equity. If you take a look at just say a monthly chart, I could not own this up here with good conscience. So again, a great move for Jabil, but again, it is very, very overbought. Therefore, if you own it, you trail your stop loss immediately. If you do not own it, leave it alone here. There's no sense trying to chase a name like this. It's way overbought. It's extended. Those stocks only have limited upside to them. So again, be very, very careful. But we'll keep an eye on it this morning, see if it does give us any potential fade patterns where we could look to short it. Next up, we're going to take a look at Bob Evans, BOB. E is the ticker symbol there, Bob Evans Farms. Stock right now is trading at $72.16. It's up a little bit from the close. Closed at $17.06. Not much I can make out of this one. I'm going to leave this alone as well. This is another stock that's overbought. Look at this monthly chart for Bob Evans. It's been fantastic, but again, it's just overbought, overextended, overstretched. The upside is minimal at best. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you do not own it, leave it alone at this stage of the game. We have a big downgrade today. It looks like Google was downgraded. Stock right now is trading at $952.50, closed at $967.93 yesterday. So a big sell-off there. Today, by some chance, if we get more of a sell-off, watch the 910 level for Google. That's going to be a very, very good bounce level should we get down there today. So keep that on the radar right at 910. That is going to be a very, very good level of support for Google. Now, with the market being down, we have the NASDAQ futures down 57 points, so they are getting hit. And we have some general weakness in stocks like NVIDIA, which are market leaders. NVIDIA getting pounded today, closed at 151, now trading at 146. We have Tesla down today, TSLA. This stock closed yesterday at 380.66, now trading at 373.70. You have Netflix getting hit today. That stock yesterday closed at 152.20, now trading at 148.55. Amazon is getting hit today. Amazon closed yesterday at 976.47, now trading at 962.19. So Amazon is getting hit. Now Amazon has a very good support level at 930 today, so keep that on the radar. If it gets down to the 930 level, Amazon could be in play on the long side. Let's switch gears here a little bit. Gold futures getting absolutely slaughtered this morning. The GLD, you can see tanking here below Well, I should say it's trading at 119.20, closed at 119.82. Gold futures did get hit yesterday after the Fed announcement. Today, gold futures are down 21.5 points to $1,254 an ounce. So gold is getting hit very, very hard. With that being said, you have the gold miners getting hit as well. The GDX is down to $22 a share, and you have select gold miners like Newmont Mining. They're all trading lower ahead of the opening bell. So gold really taking it on the chin. The catalyst for lower gold is generally a stronger dollar, and that is the case today. Dollar really taking off to the upside. This is the M contract. You could also look at the U contract, which is September, and you can see the dollar really soaring and roaring here. Dollar catching a big bid before the opening bell here. And again, the dollar moves higher, generally gold will move lower. With that being said, we have crude oil down another 15 cents today. Crude right now is trading at $44.58 a barrel. If you're looking at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, you'll see that is trading at $19.22, basically right where it closed yesterday. So again, we'll be looking at oil, we'll be looking at gold, we'll be looking at all of these major leading tech names that are under pressure this morning, as well as Kroger, JBL, which is Jabil Circuits, Bob Evans, Google, and others. So again, it should be a pretty wild day. The volatility is starting to move higher as we approach the second half of the year, and again, should make for some excellent trading opportunities this morning. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing there. We've had a sensational 2017. Great week this week, and we're going to look to keep it going right into tomorrow. So again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see what it is all about. You get to trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.